Waves rising up from the ocean. Ladies and gentlemen, the Singapore National Games 2012 officially open. I say SNG, you say
community.
We say community, you say SNG. Wow! Everybody, come on, put your hands together. Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank, of course, Prime Minister for officiating the opening of the SNG 2012. And of course, right now, we have the athletes standing by because they're going to take a special pledge for the SNG 2012. We have two players of the SNG 2012, Mr. Gary Yeo, who's a national sprinter, and Ms. Poon Bing Tien, who's a national shutler, who will lead the recitation of the pledge. Gary, Bing Tien,